Welcome, friends. Thanks for tuning in today to Tiffkneebaby TV. If it's your first time, welcome. Thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe button so that you can scoop up all this wig tea now and in the future. We're in our new filming space. Yay! Filming nook. I'm so excited to be bringing you season 2 in our new home. We're actually on our way to go furniture shopping today, so I had to do just a little bit of a sleigh, and I figured I would go ahead and bring you guys into it. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. I'll drop the details of the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you on the screen, but other than that, watch me work. Alright, so this Nubian hair bar unit that I am wearing comes with HD lace, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Now, full transparency, this is actually my second time filming this review. The first time that I filmed this review, I washed this unit and I decided to straighten this unit and curl this unit. This unit does not need to be straightened. It does not need to be curled. It just did not come out the way that I wanted it to. So that footage got scrapped. After so many months, I decided to pull this one back out of the closet because it was too good not to share with you. I washed it, and as you can see, this kinky curly texture came right back. Now, sometimes that doesn't happen with our human hair units. Sometimes you wash it, straighten it, and that's a wrap, sis. Your texture is done. But this is high quality hair. This is so soft. This is so dense. This came from one of us. You know what I mean? This is our hair. This is 100% raw, natural hair, kinky, curly texture. This unit came 100% styled in the way that you see it here. I didn't pluck, I didn't bleach, I didn't do anything to this unit other than install it the way that you saw me do. If you have any questions, you know that you can always ask them down below, and I'm happy to answer and help you guys. But I really give this an A+. I love this unit. I feel like that is slayed and installed. Toot toot. But overall, I highly recommend. This is a little bit higher on the price point, but I will leave links down below so that you can shop and pick this up if this is something that you're interested in. I hope that this review was helpful for you. I hope that you enjoyed the time that you spent with Tiffkneebaby TV. Make sure that notification bell is rung so that you don't miss my future videos. We've got some great content coming at you guys real soon. Thanks for watching, loves. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye, friends.